Good morning, Rebels. Today is Tuesday, October 6th, 2020, and this is Rebel TV.
Good morning, Rebels. My name is Cassie Johnson, and I'm a junior at Savanna High School. Please stand up and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. Put your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you, Rebels. You may now be seated.
Hey Rebels, happy Tuesday. It's Mr. Pooley here, and I'm standing in the beautiful garden area right outside our library. It's great to talk to you this Tuesday as we wrap up the last week of the first quarter. That's right, this Friday, October 9th, is the end of the first quarter. That means you've got to get your work caught up. You've got to get your assessments turned in. You've got to give your teachers a chance to grade those assignments so they can update your grades and get you all current. So please take advantage of all of the opportunities this week, including going to office hours on Tuesday and Thursday to check in with your teachers to make sure you are doing exactly what is needed and you've got caught up on all your assignments. So best of luck here as you push to the end of the first quarter. Thank you for riding with us through this first quarter, as it has been definitely different and unique. But you know what? We're here for you. And I'm glad we get to see each other, at least through Rebel TV regularly. And it's great seeing you in your classes as well. So take care of yourselves, be safe, keep it clean like a washing machine, and do your best as you push toward the end of the quarter. Thank you.
Telenovelas, or otherwise known in American colloquialism as Spanish soap operas, are essentially television novels. These Latin American soap dramas are a form of entertainment viewed by millions worldwide, with an average of 5.7 million viewers a week just in the United States. Telenovelas contain a melodramatic storyline that runs in a few seasons, with 30 to 45-minute episodes, typically ending within the span of a year. Telenovelas are not just plots revolving around a pair of star-crossed lovers. They have been used in many countries to share social-cultural messages. Telenovelas first started on the radio as a form of advertising towards Latin American housewives. But by 1950, the telenovela of what we know today was formed with the introduction of Senderos de Amor, Path of Love, released by Cuba, to Los ricos también lloran, The Rich Also Cry, the first global telenovela produced by Mexico. This genre of entertainment is deeply rooted in Latino culture, with telenovelas offering a form of comfort for immigrants in the United States, connecting them to the country and culture they left behind. Telenovelas have brought families together, creating bonds and long-lasting memories. Next time you sit down to binge on an addicting telenovela, don't forget to appreciate the history.
Rebel, Friday, October 9th is the last day of the first quarter and will be minimum day. Each of your classes will meet for 30 minutes with a 10-minute passing period. Here is the schedule for that day. Zero period is from 7:40 a.m. to 8:10 a.m. First period is from 8:20 a.m. to 8:50 a.m. Second period is from 9 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. Third period is from 9:40 a.m. to 10:10 a.m. Fourth period is from 10:20 a.m. to 10:50 a.m. Fifth period is from 11 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. And sixth period is from 11:40 a.m. to 12:10 p.m. Be sure to show up to all your classes on time. Finish strong, Rebels.
Attention Rebel Girls! Girls Inc. has a new workshop series called Sisterhood Saturdays. The purpose of the program is to have a sense of community between the girls, as well as provide them with an opportunity to stay connected. Participants will be provided with virtual service learning projects and can also earn community engagement credit as well. Each series will focus on a different topic, and our first series will be focusing on the electoral process. The workshop is an hour long and runs on Saturdays and runs until October 24th. Look for the email from Ms. Herrera.
Attention Rebels, Interact Club applications are now open. Go to bit.ly/savint21 to become a member. Don't forget to join our Remind to stay updated. Text SAVINT21 to 81010. Join us. Congratulations to senior Sophie Pham, who was recently recognized with the Puente Project's Statewide Academic and Leadership Award. Out of the 164 Puente senior applicants, Sophie was one of the only 27 Puentistas recognized with this distinction. Congrats again, Sophie. Si se puede.
Spending all my nights alone, waiting for you to call me. You're the only one I want by my side when I fall asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. I know it's hard, but we need each other. No, it's hard, but we need each other. I move mountains on my own, don't need nobody, yo. Change your mind when I change my life. Better start believing in myself. And we all now looking for God, so we never see it in ourselves.
Hi students, are you interested in being in the student leadership team for COVID-19 projects at Savanna? The leadership team is a student-based initiative created for the following AUHSD COVID-19 Youth Summit. We are looking for students of all grade levels who have a desire to impact and advocate for their community through student-based projects. If interested, please check your email for the sign-up from Mrs. Daddario.
Hey seniors, LifeTouch sent out an email about senior portraits with specific information about the dress code for the 2021 yearbook. Check your email and be sure to email Mrs. Cortez with any questions or concerns you may have. Be sure you sign up for your date and time slot today.
Rebels, ASB is busy at work preparing our first virtual assembly, and we want to honor your memories of the time you have been at Savanna. If you want to submit photo memories to them for this assembly, please click and go to bit.ly/shsmemories.
Hey Rebels, want to know more about the Bible? Interested in learning more about what the gospel is? Are you struggling with faith and need help? Rebels for Christ invites you to our meeting Tuesdays during lunch on Google Meets. Everyone is invited. Hope to see you there. Bring a friend. And bless up.
Attention juniors, the Anaheim Public Library is offering an online-only volunteer program. This is a great opportunity to earn your community service hours, have a work reference for future job applications, develop communication skills, and use a variety of technology skills using different forms of media. The next Zoom volunteer orientation/information session will be on Thursday, October 15th at 4 p.m. Check your email for a message from your counselor, Ms. Mata, for information on how to sign up.
A parallel place.
We've been waiting for you, Coraline.
Where parents are always fun.
I love your garden! Can't believe you did this!
And everything is so good.
What's shaking, baby?
It just can't be real.
Mom? You're just in time for supper, dear.
Hey Rebels, are you interested in watching Coraline? Well, look no further. The ASB junior class is hosting a movie night on October 23rd from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. and is open to everybody. RSVP at bit.ly/shscoraline or check out our link tree on the junior class Instagram account at SavannahCo2022. Thank you.
Black is traditional.
Hey there. We know that this year has been a little hard. And there's lots of things that are out of our control. But Girls Inc. is still here to support you. supHERvision is an academic mentorship program that is here to help support you get through this year. We're not only here to help you get through the academic school year, but we're also here to help support you through checking those emails you don't want to reply to. Yeah, but some other things as well. Girls are already enrolled into the program, so guardians will receive an email to first fill out an authorization form. After, you'll be receiving a link to go onto our platform Canvas. You will be using a non-school email as your login. Click on your supervision group and voila! With each module, you'll have a chance to earn some amazing prizes and raffles. Remember that we're all in this together, so let's continue to be strong, smart, and bold. See you online.
I feel like I'm gonna puke. Oh! Go!
Hey, good morning, guys. I'm Mr. Hogan Kent with Rebel TV, and with me today, I have two of the Rebel TV cast members, seniors Michael McNeely and Francis Pena. So welcome, guys. Are you ready for today?
No, yeah. I mean, this, oh my God.
Oh, so what are we going to do? Well, let me tell you. So today, we are going to be doing something called the Paqui One Chip Challenge. On a scale of 1 to 10, where would you say your hot scale is? How hot do you like your food?
Well, to be honest, I can't eat jalapenos, and I think peppermints are spicy. So I guess a 1 or 2, but we'll see how it goes.
Oh my God. At most, I will eat like the extra hot Cheeto chips, and that's it. Anything more than that, and I'm out.
The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to make sure our water's on the side and ready to go. The challenge is this. Once you start eating your chip, we're going to see if you can go 1 minute. We would like for you to eat your chip in 2 bites, please. Once we start the timer, let's see if you can make it to 1 minute without drinking your water. That is the challenge that we're going through today. If you have to call mercy and drink your water, that's fine. But we will proceed to see if the other person can possibly make it to 1 minute. All right, I got my timer. I'm going to put my timer up on the screen. All right, let me put the timer up on the screen. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
All right, so here's the goal. It's just a 1 or go. Or are we ready? We're going to try to eat it in 2 bites, guys. On your mark. Let's get set. And go. Does it actually... Ooh, Michael's doing okay there. All right, Michael. Not what you expected, or just maybe hasn't hit yet?
It'll hit you.
But it's not as horrible. It's not that.
Oh, I mean all of it.
You did a great job. All right. Well, don't be afraid to drink that water if you need to. Let's see who's going to be the first to do it. Francis, you just have a look of disgust in your heart. All right, Michael's tapping out. Michael's drinking the water, and our winner of the One Chip Challenge today. You actually went 125, Michael. Nice job today. Francis, you have been declared the winner of the One Chip Challenge for today. Congratulations. You can drink your water now.
I don't feel like a winner.
I'm sure you don't. Well, thank you very much, and thanks for bringing this to our viewers for Rebel TV.
The water doesn't help.
Just write it down. Just write it down.
All right, guys. How we doing? We still hanging in there?
Breathing hurts.
Breathing hurts.
That will do it for today's announcements, Rebels. Have a tubular Tuesday.